Now this video is going to be a little bit different. This is for all you guys out there wanting to give your girlfriend something nice for Valentine's Day. I had this idea, I've seen it all over the internet, over Instagram, of people making these should I say fabricating these metal roses and then welding them all up and giving them to their girlfriends or wives or partners or whatever. I'm going to attempt to do my own. Hopefully you can follow along with me, and it's something for you to do in the future for your own girlfriend. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below, smash that like button, and let's get started. So this was so fun to make. Just a disclaimer, I am not a fabricator. I am in no way a professional welder or anything like that. I have literally just pretty much followed some other people on the internet who are doing this sort of thing and just put my own spin on it. But yeah, it's just a nice little thing to give someone that you love, basically. And it all starts with a bit of sheet metal. What I was doing with the blowtorch was basically just colouring the metal. It's just basically to give a different colour between the leaves and the petals. I like it, it looks good. This is just a little bit of fun, midweek video again. Let me know if you're going to give this a try. If you do, tag me on Instagram, my @'s down here, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.